In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually clear DNS cache on your Android phone on Chrome. Okay, let's get started. What I want to do now is to follow every step here keenly so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now locate the Chrome app. Okay, then tap on the address bar, please. Then I want you to tap this exact address. Start with the word Chrome. Okay, Chrome, then Chrome, then full colon, then /2/, then net dot internals /hash DNS. Make sure that you type it exactly the way it's been displayed on the screen so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now after typing this, I just want you to click on the enter button like that, and you will see a screen like this popping up on your phone. So what you want to do next is to be very, very careful. Now tap on clear host cache, that icon there. By doing that, you will be able to clear the host cache. Okay, so that is how you can clear the cache on your Chrome browser. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, if you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.